water will come out. I'll add the salt later. Some more. It's coated well. And I will keep this in freezer for around 2 hours. I have some melted butter in room temperature, so I'm adding this. It will enhance the taste. Done. And I will mix it. And make sure you will add the salt later when you are frying. You can see I just packed the chicken patty. They are breast pieces actually. So I will keep this in freezer for around not in a deep freezer but normal freezer for 2 hours, and then I will fry this. So I have to grill the chicken pieces. I have this grill pan and little bit of olive oil. It's already heated. Let me place this. I have to grill both sides and have to check the chicken meat is really tender. So let's try. Already done, which is the brown color is coming up. Leave this side. It's done, already done. And I will place this onion and tomato. It's optional because in my burger I don't like this raw flavor of the tomato. That's why I just grill it. The onion and the tomato, it will be little bit grilled. And I will this in my burger. I have this burger bun already. Assembling the burger. I have this burger bread, and this is eggless mayonnaise bread. I already spread it, so I'll place this lettuce. It's really very fresh. And then my onions. These are sauté. Some more. And then the grill. And the tomato. And I have this veg mayonnaise, burger mayonnaise. If you don't want to add this, you can avoid this, but I love this, and you can use any brand. So this mayo, and let me add some ketchup over here. I love this tomato ketchup actually. And our grilled burger is ready. So it looks very cute, and I will taste it. So I'm done with my evening snack. So enjoy your burger.